I'm going to take you out of your comfort zone completely with this one because it's nothing that you learn in school about upstyling, okay? We're just going to use this tool, and with this, we're going to build the whole style. Are you guys ready? Come on, guys. Yes, that's the spirit. Okay, I'm going to start here at the nape of the neck. I'm going to divide the hair into 2 equal sections. Okay. I'm going to grab my first section, oil, top to bottom, brush the product into the hair, and get this section through. So grabbing another section, oil, top and bottom, brush, getting the section through this. And help it a little bit when you go through. You don't want those sections to like get loose. Are you guys excited about this one? I saw some faces in the front row and they're like, is it really something going to come out of that? I hope so. I do hope so. Because usually in the morning I do the prep and then I have time to go over the styles one time. And this morning that didn't happen. So I'm praying God is on my side this morning. And I'm being blessed and favored. Okay. One more. What is the name of this tool, guys? Because I can't remember for the life of me. A topsy tail. Okay, now the amount of sections that you're going to grab is based on how much hair your client has. So it's not a specific. You could end up with 4, you can end up with 5, you can end up with 6, okay? Mostly I did 4 and 5. Okay, we did that. Going back to this side. Grabbing one section from it. Oil. Are you guys curious? Just make sure they have equal distance between them. Oh, the other way. What am I doing wrong? Okay. So, since last time I saw you guys, I opened a bridal academy in Fort Lauderdale. I'm talking about the ones who have seen me before. Last year when I was here, I already came up with my crimper, with my texturizing tool. And this year in February, I managed to open my own bridal academy in Fort Lauderdale. And in case the ones who are not familiar with my work and wonder why people are so excited for me opening that academy, is because they know my story. And it's because they know where I started. And I started only 7 years ago. I mean, I started 16 years ago when I came in this country with a small suitcase, $300 in my pocket, no knowledge of English, not having any of my education recognized from my country, and having to take a job as a property manager, and having my kid with me in the office because I could not afford to pay a babysitter. Eventually, I started to do kitchen hair so I can make more money because I was making $240 a month as a property manager. So, and we came here right when the economy started to go down in 2006, and by 2008, my husband was jobless. So here I am working for $240, and we are 3 people trying to survive on that. This is the first time I am teaching, and my nerves did not go away in the first 10 minutes. I don't know why. I think it has a lot to do with the fact that in the beginning, I picked inside the room, and there were only 10 people, and I freaked out. I was like, that would be the smallest audience I have ever taught to. And then I realized it's not about me. It's about what I'm putting out there and what you guys take with you. So even if I had 1, I would have been blessed and grateful for it. So thank you again for being here. Okay, do you guys see what we have here? I don't know how you guys see from there, but from where I stand, these look dark, like very dark. So guys, I'm grabbing this and I'm doing a fishtail braid. So fishtail, you guys know, it's from the left to the right and from the right to the left, correct? And I was not careful here. Agnes, can you fix that when you do the cleaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And I am human, so I don't do perfection in 45 minutes. I do perfection in the comfort of my studio. So you guys be gentle with me if these are not looking exactly like the ones you see them on my page. Because when we have 45 minutes, we cannot afford to go over one style. You guys are gonna get bored, correct? So we have to choose styles that are entertaining, that are quick, that look beautiful and intricate, but they are very quick to be done. And usually, I manage to make them look pretty good in 45 minutes. So I'm literally just braiding. But you see, through the braid, I'm actually creating kind of like a chignon, like a bun that it's braided. Do you guys like this? So guys, for 9 years, I worked 3 jobs, living from a check to another. And in 2015, my daughter threw a fit in the salon, and she told me that I'm a terrible mother, that she never got to spend time with her friends and have sleepovers, and that she never goes to the park, and that she's been raised in the places I worked, and she's sick and tired, and why she can't go to the park behind the salon. So I'm going in the back room, and I'm having an emotional moment. I'm on the floor. I already knew I'm a terrible mother for raising my kid the way I did, but I never thought that my kid will be so affected in order to shove that down my throat. So I'm grabbing this, and we're gonna turn this into a bun. Except this. You take a picture from the other side, okay? That's what I do when I create content. If I mess up, I take pictures from the angle that looks the best. And when she turns around the chair, I'm like, no, 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 stop right there. Don't turn around. We don't need to see everything. Pins. And I never open them. Do you guys know why? Okay, bobby pins. Do you see this opening to a bobby pin right here? That opening that is right there. That's how much that bobby pin can hold. Anything over that, it's going to open, and once there is movement and heat and humidity involved, this is what is going to happen. This is going to slip. So let the bobby pin grab as much as it can hold. Don't open it. Let her grab the hair she can hold. It can hold. It's not a she. And this buzzer, not even COVID helped me to get rid of this habit, bad habit. And now I am kind of pulling from the top so I can mimic what I have to the sides and not have flatness in there. Do you guys like this one? Easy? Are you coming back tomorrow for more? I have cool. Oh, what happened? Let it be light, Lala said. Oh my gosh, that's so good. And look at that, guys.